Want to mute a group on WhatsApp for Android to stop the constant notifications? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to mute a group, you will need to open the WhatsApp application on your Android device and find the specific group chat you want to silence. Keep your finger on that chat. That chat will be selected, and a menu bar will be visible at the top. Tap on the icon with a bell that is cut off to mute notifications for someone. Simply tap on this option. Choose the duration, like 8 hours, 1 week, or always, and confirm to mute the chat on your Android device. An icon will appear on the right that will show you that the chat is muted. And that's how you can mute a group on WhatsApp for Android, giving you control over the notifications you receive. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.